goodness, that's a speed bump. And I totally forgot my backpack at home. 1 second. Okay, that's better. This is my first Christmas ever that I have not spent in Winnipeg, which means that it's not freezing cold outside and I'm on a boosted board ride around Manhattan in the middle of Christmas Day. It's still busy, there's still a lot of people outside, surprisingly. I mean, compared to a regular Wednesday in the middle of New York, it is empty, but there's still a decent amount of people out and about. It's just a wonderful, awesome day. What's up, bus driver? We're in Grand Central Station. I needed a quick place to charge up my board because everything's closed today, so I can't stop at like a Starbucks or something like that, but we have a dilemma. No visible power outlets anywhere, but there are these little kiosks for shops. I'm not really sure what they're for. And back there is a power bar. I'm sure if I sneak back there, I'm not gonna get, I'm just gonna plug in my board and leave it there and then hang out here. That should be fine, right? That should be fine. All right, board is plugged in. I also accidentally turned on all the lights in the stall, but the board's charging. Okay, I don't know if you can read this at all. Board is at 61%. That should be good. I haven't got caught by anyone yet for turning on an entire store's lights. Nice. Okay. Let's get out of here. Okay, let's talk for a second. Okay, so you guys have probably done the math and figured out that I am not back home in Canada for Christmas. I'll be honest, it sucks a little bit. You know, it's always nice to see family, spend time with family. Family is extremely important. But at the same time, I cannot stress the excitement that I have for being in New York City. I mean, yeah, it sucks. Except I FaceTimed my grandparents this morning. I phoned my dad this morning. It's not the biggest deal in the world. I am all alone on Christmas though, which does sound depressing when you, that sounds like really depressing when you say it out loud. As far as I'm concerned, there is only one way to remedy this. Okay, much better. Most years for Christmas dinner dessert, I have apple pie, chocolate pudding, cream puffs, all made by my grandma, who is of course the world's best cook. In lieu of that this year, I have Dunkin' Donuts. To be 100% honest, I'm not even that upset about it.